Do you want to cover your gray hair without damaging them and make them look healthy and grow fast? Today I will show you how to make natural hair dye from simple ingredients. This recipe will not only help you cover your gray hair but will also help improve the condition of your hair, making them soft and shiny. Let's get started. First, I'm taking a bowl of coffee beans. It helps darken gray hair, giving it a natural brown shade. Coffee has natural coloring property to its high pigment content. Its rich composition helps strengthen hair and add shine. Coffee improves blood circulation in the scalp, awaken hair follicles, and accelerate the growth of new hair. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of coffee beans to a separate bowl. Now we have black tea leaves. Tea leaves are packed with antioxidants and natural plant compounds that help nourish the scalp and leave the hair looking healthy, perfect, shiny, and vibrant. And they also contain natural coloring properties. Next, I'm adding cloves. Cloves contain vitamin C, minerals such as iron, magnesium, which help nourish hair follicles and prevent hair loss, stimulating hair growth. Now we have flax seeds. Flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids that deeply nourish the scalp, help strengthen hair follicles for healthier hair, improve scalp hydration, and reduces dryness. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of flax seeds. Glow girls, which country are you watching from? Leave your comment below. Now transfer the mixed ingredients into a grinder. Glow girls, here's a quick tip. Your body repairs itself while you sleep. So getting 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep every night is one of the best things you can do for your healthy body. Now grind everything into a fine powder. Now that all the ingredients are grinded, I'm transferring the freshly grounded herbal powder into a clean glass bowl. Next, I'm adding 100 ml of olive oil. Olive oil contains a whole range of vitamins A, B, C, D, E, F, and K. Olive oil strengthens hair follicles and gives hairs shine, reduces hair breakages and split ends. Now it's time for a gentle wash bath. Here's a quick hair care tip. Glow girls, avoid washing your hairs with very hot water. Lukewarm or cool water is gentler on your scalp and helps keep our hairs looking smooth and shiny. Now place it over low heat and let it warm gently for 30 to 35 minutes. This slow infusion allows the olive oil to absorb natural goodness of all the ingredients without overheating them. Girlies, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel, like this video and leave a comment below. Every interaction helps this community grow. Now that the oil has been finished infusing, I'm turning off the heat and letting it cool slightly. Now I'll strain the oil into a beaker to separate it from all the herbal ingredients. Take your time with this step and press the mixture gently to extract every last drop of the infused oil. Girls, write in the comments, where are you watching this video from? I'm always very curious to know about my glow girls. And also, don't forget to like this video. Just look at that beautiful, rich, nourishing herbal oil. Now I'm transferring the oil into a clean, airtight container. This oil can be stored for up to 6 months, so store it in a room temperature. This oil can be stored for up to 6 months. This natural hair oil helps darken gray hair and improve your overall hair condition. You can use this oil before washing your hair. Apply to hair and leave it for 2 hours and wash off with shampoo. Apply to the roots of the hair and along entire length. Massage with fingers for 3 to 4 minutes. That's it, glow girls. Take care of yourself. Stay consistent. Bye bye.